What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out the Vankyo active noise canceling headphones. This particular model is called the C751s. Yep, C751s, and they are made by the company Vankyo. I've reviewed a lot of products from Vankyo before, projectors, tablets. This is their active noise canceling headphones, so we have high hopes for it because it's Vankyo, and yeah. So there will be a link down below. Subscribe, you can do so down below too if you want to stay up to date on more of these cool tech videos. So here we go, we'll go ahead and get into it here. We'll read what the back says, and I have a little bit of information here as well. Lightweight design, breathable mesh, hi-fi stereo, 30 hours of battery life, foldable construction, and CVC 8.0 dual mic technology. And on here it says active noise canceling can reduce ambient noise up to 90%. And it has Bluetooth 5.0, so a rather new Bluetooth technology, 30 hours of playback or 2 hours of playback on a 10-minute charge, so quick charging too. So we're gonna go ahead and open it here. Not the best way to do it by any means. Here too. Oh my God, I ripped the box apart, guys. Okay, so there we go right there. So we're just gonna remove the top now real quick. We're gonna just peel that off, and there's a little bit more information here on the side. It says they're 40 millimeter drivers right there, 3.5 millimeter aux in, as well as Bluetooth, of course, and the 30 hours of battery life right there. So we'll go ahead and set that aside right there. And the only thing in the box is the headphones in a case right here, pretty nice case, and there's nothing else in here, so we'll set that aside. I did do some damage to that box right there, but it happened. So here it is. It comes with a really nice case right here. You have a little loop right here if you want to carry it, just like so. And it's a hard case too, so pretty protective. And we'll go ahead and open them up right here. And there's not really much else information on here for me to share with, so I'll put that aside. And here we go right here. So you have a bag of goodies right here. We'll go ahead and see what's in here. Have your 3.5 millimeter cable right here, your aux cable. USB-C charger right here. So this does use USB-C, not the old micro USB. You can see it right there, USB-C. Airplane connector, in case you're going to be using these headphones while on an airplane, you can connect to their system with this. It's a converter from 2 to 1. So you have a few other information here. You have a card right here. You have your instruction manual right here. It's in many different languages. And you have, are you happy or are you unhappy? And have the headphones right here. This is what we're going to be getting into, of course. And the case has a little storage bin right here. And that's it with the case. So here's the headphones real quick. The leather feels pretty nice right here, honestly. I'm sure it's not real leather, but it feels very plush, very soft right here. You can see it has these silver accents on the side for a little style. And you can see they do fold in just like this to fit inside of the case. Of course, you just pop it out like so. And they are labeled left and right, left, right. You put them over the head like this, and wow, it's already much quieter. Like, that was insane. Let's do it again. Crazy. Yeah, that works really well. I guess it has to do with these big cushions right here. You can see how thick they are, and they really fit around your ear, like really completely gap my entire ear right there. So you can see it right there. Silence. It's silent zone. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there. We are going to get a little closer here and look at all the buttons and stuff. I won't do that right now. And you can see A and C right here. So active noise canceling, you can flip that on and off. It has to be turned on, of course, to do that. So we'll be testing that in a second. But wow, it's already almost noise canceling without even the active noise canceling turned on. I like it. I put it on backwards that time, but I like it. So let's go ahead and move on to the close-up. So here we are, we're a little closer up now. So we're gonna just take a look at the materials as well as the buttons right here. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom in right here. As you can see, it's very good quality. It's all plastic, I believe. This might be metal on the edge right here. Yeah, that's metal right there. But it feels sturdy and pretty heavy in the hand, honestly. So we'll go ahead and start right here on the bottom. You can see right there is your charging port. That's a USB-C in right there. And that's the only thing on this side. So this side probably holds the battery. And we move over to this side over here. And you can see right here, you have your Bluetooth button right there to turn Bluetooth on or off. If you're going to be using the aux cable, obviously you won't need Bluetooth on. Right here is your active noise canceling right here, which will give you up to, I think it said 80 to 90% isolation. It's already quite isolated without that, but you can turn that on and off right there. Right here is your volume up as well as your next song. So depending on if you press it quick, it'll switch to your next song. If you hold it down, it will turn the volume up. And same with the bottom here, turn your volume down or go back to the previous song by holding it. Then right here on the bottom is your last set of buttons. It is your phone button right there, as well as your play and pause. So you can answer a phone call and you can pause your music and play your music by touching that button. And the only other thing to show right there is the microphone right there that picks up your voice if you are using the microphone. It said CVC 8.0 is the technology there. And I can't really show it in here too much, but they are 40mm drivers. And try to zoom out a bit now. And this part right here might even be metal too, up to here. And you can see how it folds in just like so. Pretty simple. One of the other big features to note on these headphones is their ability to twist with your head some. As you can see, these wobble back and forth, and they are actually on a track right there, so it has all that movement right there on both of them, which I haven't really seen in too many other headphones before, so these can really stay comfortable and good on your head. So now we're just going to connect them to the Bluetooth and test them out. Alright guys, so I just had it charged just for a little bit there just to make sure it was ready to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect it to the Bluetooth. So first we're going to turn it on by switching the Bluetooth dial up. So I'm going to put them on. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. You can see it right down there, Vankyo C751. Connected. We're going to try the active noise canceling first and see if that works without actually doing anything else. So the active noise canceling does work very well whenever you turn it on and I'm doing the tapping. It goes from like a really loud tap to like just a barely audible thud. It might just be the feeling of my finger hitting it, so it works really well. I'm going to go ahead and do it one more time here. Very interesting, honestly, but it does work pretty well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually play a song, and I'm going to listen to it. And there are the LED indicator right here, green showing that it's turned on, and it was flashing red and blue before to show that it was ready to pair. Kanye West, Wash Us in the Blood. That's the move right now, and I will tell you guys how it sounds. It sounded really good. It has pretty good bass. You can hear the audio very well, very crisp, honestly. I couldn't hear anything around me. I had the music up loud enough that the noise cancel, I just couldn't hear nothing, but the noise canceling does work really well. And that's a really good song too, if any of you guys are into Kanye West, Travis Scott too. But yeah, seems pretty nice to me. I did test these buttons out during it too. I turned the volume up right here and volume down right there. Let me just press it real quick. And yeah, it goes back to the previous song, which is the same song, but... So yeah, all the button functionality works. We'll go ahead and test the play pause real quick. It's playing. And it's pausing, so that works too, just like it's supposed to. So everything works. The functionality is good, the style is good, and the active noise canceling is pretty cool too. And you can put your 3.5mm aux in there too if you don't want to go Bluetooth or if the battery dies. But you can get a 2-hour charge off of this with 10 minutes of charging. So, you know, there's no excuse for not using the Bluetooth unless you just don't have a charger nearby. Alright guys, so we're outside right now. We're like 30 feet away from the iPad and I have the headphones on. I'm going to turn the active noise canceling on first. I can't hear nothing. Like, I heard frogs before, can't hear nothing. So now we're going to play the music right here. I'm going to press the button. So yeah, I've been using these headphones for a little bit longer now, and they really sound like amazing. The range is really good. The battery life is really about what it says, like over 20 hours, honestly. And the sound quality is just, it's astounding, especially with the active noise canceling. Like I can hear all the sounds of nature now, couldn't hear it before. But you know, pretty good pair of headphones, just wanted to add that in there. So there you guys go. This is the Vankyo C751 Bluetooth headphones, or Bluetooth 5.0. They're pretty good to me, so if you guys want to purchase it, there'll be a link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can subscribe down below too. You can also like the video so other people know that it's a good video. And yeah. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below and I'll get right back to you. So I hope you guys have a good one and take it easy.